can make a spinach dip in less than 4 minutes. Do you want to see? Let's do it. Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today I'm going to do a spinach and artichoke dip in less than 4 minutes of my time. The recipe is going to stay cooking for another 10, but I won't be here and you won't be either. Now you might be asking yourself, well, she was prepping a lot of items. No, I brought them here. I have a lot of bottles here, right? And I did have to do two things. I had to drain spinach. This was frozen spinach. It's defrosted and drained. And I had to drain artichokes. Okay, I do have to get the ingredients. Yes, I also went to the supermarket, duh. I'm not going to count those minutes, okay? Oh, and yes, I peel the garlic, but I peel it once a week anyway, and I also chop this in two. Not a biggie, right? Let's get started. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go to my week, and let's go to spinach dip. Here we go. Start cooking. All right, so it says drain artichoke hearts and set aside. I already did that. Then we're going to do 4 ounces of Parmesan cheese cut into pieces. Now, I didn't need to do that because this one was already shredded in a bag, but I'm going to do it for you just so you see how it's going to be shredded, okay? Actually, grated. Then we go to the next one and we want 4 ounces of mozzarella. Same thing. I didn't need to do this step, but let's do it. So we are going to cover it and then we're going to go 8 seconds at a speed 8. All right, transfer to a bowl and set aside. So we're gonna transfer it here. And you see, we were grating the cheese. Ta-da! I gotta go fast because this is a challenge. I cannot be talking to you non-stop, blah, 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 because you wanna see how fast I can do this. Well, I do. The cheese is set aside. It doesn't say wash it, so it's okay, right? We're going to cook with the rest of the cheese in there. 2 garlic cloves, without cutting them, just peeled. 1/2 ounce of shallot. Okay, so I have what I have. Let me see. Yeah, okay, cool. You see, I didn't even measure it. 1 ounce of olive oil. Let's do it. I don't know how much is here. That's why we have the scale, right? Let's see. I love not prepping. And 1.2. Oopsies. It's okay. It'll be oily. All right, we're gonna cover it again. And we're going to chop this at 7. 3 seconds only. Only 3 seconds. And let's see what we got. It needs to unlock. There you go. Okay. So here we are. We chopped and we have all the oil there. And now the recipe is asking us to bring everything down to the bottom because we're going to start cooking, sautéing, and it wants the goodies in the bottom. So now we're going to place cover, and instead of this, we're going to put the simmering basket. Okay. 2 minutes, 250 Fahrenheit and speed 1. All right, we got 2 minutes. These 2 minutes do not count because I'm going to keep watching the game. All right, I'm back. What do we have? 3 seconds. Awesome. Good. Let me put this right here so we can get this. Smells amazing. We're going to add the artichoke hearts. Yes. Then we're going to add the spinach. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to cover it again. Cover again. And it's going to tell us 5 seconds, speed 5, and it's chopping again, mixing everything. All right, we're almost done. Let's see. So 8 ounces of cream cheese. Oh, and this is 8 ounces, so it's gonna go completely inside. Let's see if the supermarket is kidding when they're telling me that I'm buying 8 ounces. Let's see. Oh my goodness! Now I need to ask for a refund. What the heck? Yeah, 7.1. Really? All right, we'll talk about that. And now we have 3 ounces of sour cream. I mean, I did have a little bit here, but not an ounce. All right, 3 ounces of sour cream. 1.1, 2. Okay, perfection. And now we go to the spices. We have a few and then we're done. Alrighty, so 1/2 teaspoon of the red pepper flakes. Then 1/4 of salt. 1/4 is here. Then 1/2 of the Worcestershire. All right, yes, 26 years in the US. My accent will never leave me. Accent? What accent? All right, so 1/2. Yes, I'm from Spain. And Tabasco, 1/2 teaspoon of Tabasco. I'm gonna put a little less because my husband doesn't like spice. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to cover it again. 10 seconds at a speed 4. All right, what's gonna happen after? Let's look at it first. All right, look at this. This is almost a spinach dip, right? But we need the cheesy side.
Yep.
Add all the cheese, yes. Thank you. And it's going to mix again. I'm thinking, oh no, now it's gonna cook it. 8 minutes at speed 1. Let me mix it a little. All right, cheese, get it in. Happy there. Okay, good. 8 minutes, 175 Fahrenheit, and speed 1. That's another 8 minutes. I'm not going to be here. So if I was watching the Super Bowl, I will be going back to the game. If I wasn't, I could do whatever I wanted with my life. Maybe I'm getting ready to host a lot of friends, right? So I'm gonna work in the other dips, or maybe put in the table, anything but being here. So see you later. 3, 2, 1. All right, we have a spinach dip. Let's see. Oh my gosh. I wish you were here. Smells amazing. Okay, so here we have the spinach dip pitcher. And let's put it here. Let's pour it. And I had options to make smaller batches. I chose this 32 ounces, but I could have done less, okay? Wow, this bowl is super sticky, so it's gonna be super convenient when the Thermomix pre-washes itself. You see how dirty it is? It's gonna be amazing after do the pre-wash. I'm not doing that for you today. I have a video for that right here. A little bit more, we don't wanna have any waste. Perfect. All right, thank you. Thank you, Thermomix. Time to try it. This is cute enough to show you. Let me move it around a little. There we go. Okay. Ta-da! And in how long? In less than 4 minutes of my time. Alrighty, let's try it. Whoopee! 1 second. Oh, that's a lot.
Yummy.
Well, I gotta take this back to my guests. Put this here, and then next, serve hot. Okay, so what do you think? The other day I was doing a Super Bowl video, and then when I was talking about the spinach dip, I was like, oh my gosh, I really have to do this video. And a spinach dip is one of the things that I love to order every time that I'm in an American style restaurant. But now that I make my own with Thermomix, it's really hard for me to order that when I'm in a restaurant because I never like it as much as I like this one. All right, so you saw it. With the help of my Thermomix, I can do a spinach dip in less than 4 minutes of my time. You need a Thermomix in your life? You know what to do. Please email me right here or use my purchase link. It's in the comments and it gives you free shipping. Always buy from a consultant. Their link not only gives you free shipping, it also turns them into your consultant to help you through your Thermomix journey. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's go back to the game. Bye! Yeah, I might be, whatever. If we had the cheese in little, whatever. So you see, it doesn't matter, it doesn't say that. You're not putting this. Give me a second. Just, I get spinach everywhere. And I don't want to show you that. Every time that I'm in an, oh my gosh, I think that's it.